Hi guys! So a few weeks back, we received an email from WordPress Foundation that we cannot use this domain because it contains the word WordPress. So we decided to forward this domain link. So if you go to this domain now, it now redirects to this new domain. Not just this, we wanted to redirect all the links of this website to our new domain with all the links. What we mean is, let me copy this and go to any /links. It should redirect to this new URL / the link. Doing this, it will not affect the links on the Google search for our old domain. Now to do this kind of redirection, it is very simple. We will show you the exact code. Log into your cPanel and go to the File Manager and locate the old domain folder. So we are inside the Let's Learn WordPress folder. We will be using a .htaccess file. Go to Settings, Show Hidden Files, and Save. Here is the htaccess file we have used. Right-click and Edit. Edit. And this is the code we have used. This is our website domain. This is with www. And this is the new domain we want to redirect. This is a permanent redirect with 301. This will redirect all URL, so you will need to create a .htaccess file on the folder and add this code. After this, all old links will be automatically forwarded to the new domain link. And this will not affect the site's SEO too. Thank you very much.